Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this video I will presenting to you the different security settings for data and application security. So I know you guys are excited to learn about this, and without further ado, just keep on watching. Alright, so our types of application security features include authentication, authorization, encryption, logging, and application security testing. So, what is the authentication in a data security? Ang authentication in application security is when software developers build procedures into an application to ensure that only authorized users gain access to it. So the example of authentication is a server would authenticate users using its own password system, login ID, or usernames and password. So ato pa jud elaborate more no about this, what is an authentication and application security. So example of this, have you ever tried sa imong Facebook account before after nimo og login sa imong username and password sa Facebook, di pa siya dili din siya makuha, dili din siya ma-open, kailangan mag-agi pa kag authentication code is sent to the user's mobile devices. Then after makuha na nimo yang kanang code ana before pa ka makasulod. So like what happens sa akong Facebook account guys is nag-inana good siya before jud ko makasulod bisag sakto akong email and password, kailangan jud ko kailangan jud ko mapaabot sa authentication code niya kay para ma-sure kung imuha ba jud ng account or dili. And it depende sila guys sa inyong account if gi-on niyo ang two steps of verification authentication. Like di man na makita sa settings ba. Kay the purpose bang gud ana guys is para kuan imong privacy ba. Bisag if there is someone nakahibaw sa mga email and password, but since imo to gi-open ang authentication nimo, never gyapon sila ka login if dili mahatag or makahibaw sila sa code. Even me guys, if kanang mag-charge ako cellphone tapos gusto ko mo login sa akong account sa akong o sa ka cellphone, so di dya po ko ka-login bisan pa man nakahibaw ko sa akong email and password kay tungod need pa na ako ma-access to ang katong authentication code na gisend sa ko ang mobile devices. That is the meaning of authentication in application security. And also guys, same as with the Gmail account, di dya po ka-login, di dya po ka maka-open sa other devices without kung dili ka kaibaw sa code. So same process lang siya po na siya. And that is the authentication and application security. Up next is authorization. Authorization in a system security usa siya ka process of giving the user permission to access a specific resource or function, or giving someone permission to download a particular file on a server, or providing individual users with administrative access to an application are good example of authorization. Or in short, that give users permission to access a resource. So no need na yun na to elaborate ang authorization because it is a detail of what I am saying earlier. So again guys, ang authorization is you need to ask permission sa owner before ka maka-download silang file or whatever the website they have. Up next is encryption. Application layer encryption is a data security solution that encrypts nearly any type of data passing through sa application. When encryption occurs at this level, data is encrypted across multiple, including disk, file, and database layers. Okay guys, so ang base of my understanding about the encryption, ang application encryption guys is mo allow ni siya mga organization na i-encrypt ang tibuok file, or should I say the entire files or specific fields of data at the application level. So before ni siya ma-stored. With application encryption, kung ang data is na encrypted na immediately upon ingestions into the application, which protects siya sa mga across the entire life cycle from input to storage. Okay, alright, so this is the second to the last. So logging is a concept that most developers already use for debugging and diagnostic purposes. Then, security logging is an equally basic concept to log security information during the runtime operation of an application. So, ang application logging, guys, usa na siya ka-process nga mo save sa imong application o unsay mo ipambuhat dira, or should I say the application mo save sa imong application events. And also, guys, ang pag-log sa usa ka application nagdepende ni siya sa sulod sa imong IT system, in that the information collected by an application event log is detected by each individual application instead sa operating system. And also, here is the last but not the least, the application security testing. Ang application security testing, or gitawag na AST, is a process of making applications more resistant to security threats by identifying security weaknesses and vulnerabilities in source code. Application security testing, or should I say AST, started as a manual process. So that's all for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. At the same time, I can add your knowledge about this, and see you to my next video. Again, I am Janiel Ariglado Balansag from the section 4B.